Hi guys, welcome back to I'm Gizmo Geek. Last month I posted the video on my experience with the Jio Fiber, what's included and what's not included with the $9.99 plan. If you haven't watched it yet, check out the video link in the card above. I understand that many of you still have some doubts regarding how the free subscription works, how to claim the subscription on the set-top box or other devices. I'll try my best to answer all those doubts through this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, as I have mentioned even in the earlier video, free OTT subscription only starts from $9.99 plan and above. Here are the OTT subscriptions that you will get along with the $9.99 plan. Some of these can only be watched from Jio TV Plus app on the set-top box, some have a dedicated app on the set-top box, and some can even be used on other devices like your phone or smart TV. And yes, Netflix subscription is not included in the $9.99 plan. If you want Netflix, you have to go with the $14.99 and above plans, which I feel is not a great deal unless you really want that upgrade in the internet speed, because you only get Netflix HD with the $14.99. Now that we are clear about what we get with the $9.99 plan, let's get into how to claim the subscriptions of each of these apps. First of all, let's talk about ZEE5. To claim free ZEE5 subscription, you just need to open the ZEE5 app on the set-top box. It automatically shows the activation message like this. Once activated, you can go into Profile in the app settings and you will find your registered mobile number of the Jio Fiber linked over there. So you can use the same number to log in on the phone and TV apps of ZEE5. I have logged in on my phone with the same registered number, and you can see the Jio complimentary pack activated here too. Next, it's the Disney Plus Hotstar. The procedure to claim the free subscription is same here too. Just open the Hotstar app and it will automatically activate the VIP subscription on your registered mobile number. You can also log in with the same mobile number on your phone or TV and enjoy streaming on other devices. The subscription validity will be the same as validity of your Jio Fiber. Let me play some VIP content on the phone and show you. SonyLiv also has the subscription linked to your registered mobile number. Open the dedicated app and it gives the notification about it. Create a profile and enjoy streaming. You can use the SonyLiv subscription on phone and TV too. I have logged in on my phone app with the same registered mobile number, and as you can see, it says Premium Jio SonyLiv subscription. Let me play and show it too. Next up, we have Hoichoi, the regional OTT app for Bengali content. The procedure is very similar to the earlier apps. Open the app on the set-top box and the subscription will be activated automatically. Then you can use the same registered mobile number to log in on phone or TV app. Now let's talk about the popular Amazon Prime app. The procedure for claiming the subscription is slightly different here. Once you have recharged your Jio Fiber with $9.99 or above plans for the first time and activated the plan, head over to the My Jio app and you will get a banner in the Jio Fiber account to claim the free Amazon Prime membership. You just have to click on the banner and it will redirect you to Amazon login account. Now whichever existing account details you provide there to log in, that account will get the Amazon Prime membership. It includes Amazon Music, free delivery and other exclusive deals of the Prime. Now you can use the same login on any device to enjoy the Prime video content. You can then head over to the Amazon Prime app on set-top box and activate the TV through one of these methods. The procedure for Netflix is also exactly the same. Now those were the only subscriptions that you can use on devices other than Jio Settop Box. The remaining apps can only be used through Jio Settop Box, and let me show you that. There is dedicated Voot app that you can open on Settop Box and the subscription gets activated automatically. But if you log in on phone or other smart TV app with same account, it asks for subscription. The same goes with SunNxt app too. You can only watch the premium SunNxt content on the Settop Box and not on your phone or any smart TV app. From the remaining other apps like Lionsgate Play, ShemarooMe and Discovery Plus, they don't even have a dedicated app on the Jio store. And you have to watch their premium content only from the Jio TV Plus app from the Settop Box. Whereas AltBalaji and ErosNow have a dedicated app, but still their premium content can only be viewed through the Jio TV Plus app. Now let's say you got a $9.99 plan for the first month and recharged only with $6.99 plan the next month. Obviously all the free subscriptions are expired. But what about the Settop Box? Let me demonstrate that by connecting the Settop Box to a different network first. I have connected the Settop Box to my mobile hotspot and cleared the app data of the OTT apps. Now it's as good as I am on the $6.99 plan. Now we can use the Settop Box as a regular Android TV box where you can log in into individual apps using your own subscriptions. If you don't have premium subscription, then you can watch at least the free content on all those dedicated apps available. So that's about it. The $9.99 plan is good if you really can make the most of the subscriptions. If not, the $3.99 or $6.99 plan should be fine. You can still use the Settop Box with these plans too, but most of the live TV channels and free subscriptions won't be working. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Bye and take care.